In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sessions in Capture One. If you're new to sessions, think of them as self-contained project folders that keep everything for a shoot organized in one place. They're great for on-set work or any job where you want a dedicated, portable structure with clear folders for captures, selects, and outputs. Start by opening Capture One. Once it's running, you can create a new session from the menu bar by choosing File, then New Session. If you prefer a quicker route inside the interface, look to the Library Tool tab. Next to the Session selector, you'll find a small plus icon. Clicking that opens the same New Session dialog. Either method brings you to the Setup window where all the key choices are made. Give your session a clear, descriptive name. Many photographers use a naming convention like date, client, and brief description to make files easy to find later. Then choose where you want this session stored on your computer. You can save it on your internal drive or an external SSD if you want to move the entire session between machines. Pick a location with enough space for raw files, previews, and exports so you don't run into storage issues mid-project. You'll see default subfolders listed: Capture, Selects, Output, and Trash. These are the backbone of a session. Capture is where new photos land when you shoot tethered or import. Selects is a convenient place to move your best images as you cull. Output is where processed files and exports go. Trash is a temporary holding area for deleted items within the session. If you already have a preferred folder structure on a drive, you can rename these or point them to different locations now. If you're not sure yet, leave them as is. You can adjust later. There's also an option to open the new session in a separate window. Turn this on if you like to keep multiple sessions visible at once, or if you're working with dual monitors and want each session on its own screen. If you're focused on a single project, leaving this unchecked is perfectly fine. When everything looks good, click OK. Capture One will build the session and open it, showing your folders in the library so you can start importing, tethering, or organizing right away. That's all it takes. With a thoughtful name, a sensible location, and a basic understanding of those 4 subfolders, you'll keep your projects tidy and efficient from the very